I'm Stephane Daeuble here. We are at Hannover Messe USA, and together is Martin Beltrop. It's the second day at the IMTS and Hannover Messe USA show, and we've seen a lot of traffic of many types of industrial manufacturing customers looking to improve their operation with our solution, private wireless and edge computing solutions. We've seen a variety of different segments for our solutions, with the possibility of enhancing the capability with fleet management for better AGV operation, improving the worker with bringing information to the worker, also bringing capability to show them what they have to do as they assemble products. We're also seeing a lot of things around the capability that just connecting assets together bring, but also the value of the data we collect can be exploited for better decision making and improved automation.
Yeah, it's really a great show, so I'm really pleased to be here. The North American market is our most important market. It really drives the uptake of our technologies, and I have to say, me as heading the portfolio, I learn a lot here from customer discussion to customer discussion. So what that means in terms of portfolio is we are actually launching 4 things on this show. First of all, there is the Nokia Industrial 5G field router and dongle, which allows our customers to use 5G networks now to connect their assets and exploit more digital use cases for the digitalization of their operations. Secondly, on the radio layer, what we are launching here is the CBRS 5G radio access point, which allows us to build mission-critical industrial networks on 5G on the shared CBRS band to really connect the assets in a very mission-critical way. The third thing, we're also expanding our mission-critical industrial edge to be more applicable for our customers, enable more use cases. That means we go beyond just software containers, and we add virtual machines, so that allows actually to onboard legacy applications and things that we find in the field on the mission-critical industrial edge to reduce the number of different platforms that you use, and in particular to bring all the data together on the mission-critical industrial edge. So with that said, to also allow more ecosystem play on this one, we also by far enlarge our ecosystem of different applications that then make use of the data that comes together on the mission-critical industrial edge. For example, we have the Siemens Minds Connect, and we're also now collaborating with Zscaler for a security solution of on top of the mission-critical industrial edge.
Yeah. When we design the mission-critical industrial edge, is by the realization that our private wireless networks now provide real-time data that you can trust. But at the same time, while connectivity is extremely important for Industry 4.0, what we realize as well is the value of the data is even higher. And by turning that and leveraging analytic engine and processing on the edge, we are capable of extracting the value of this data for improving the automation capability and over time drive autonomous action. So when we design the mission-critical industrial edge, which is the industry-first OT-grade edge solution that comes together with our private wireless networks, we're now able to exploit the value of this data to bring significant enhancement to the automation and efficiency of those plants. By the solution we have, we now expanded the capability, the ecosystem-neutral capability of the solution to really let our customers harness the potential of many other partner applications. So when we started with Mission Critical Industrial Edge, we already announced some key partners such as PTC. Now with our new capability, we make it even easier for ecosystem partners or individual software provider to bring the application on the Mission Critical Industrial Edge. Or even customers that have brownfield application running on all legacy machine can also exploit the Mission Critical Industrial Edge to bring those data on a reliable OT edge solution. So with that, that's why we are announcing with the MXIE additional capability in terms of the depot, which is the developer portal. That means it becomes a lot easier to now onboard your application on the solution, as well as also bringing capability to support solutions that are not today Kubernetes capable. We can effectively create virtual machines on any OS so that any brownfield legacy application can also be onboarded. And that really opens up a whole lot of new applications that can be taken to really enhance the capability and the automation processes in the industrial sites. Siemens is another example of that. By onboarding Siemens Mind Connect on the Mission Critical Industrial Edge, we can interface with Siemens MindFair digital twin solution. On top of PTC, that now brings us some of the 2 biggest digital twin solution provider on our Mixi, meaning our customers can access those applications and then onboard very easily, integrate the northbound and southbound together via the Mixi.
So, as you said, Stephane, I think the Mixi, the Mission Critical Industrial Edge, is going to be a very busy place, right? As we heard, we bring all the data in from legacy applications, from ecosystem players that we are onboarding, from wireless devices that are connected. So that, of course, you also heard, developer portal that we are now bringing into the market. This busy place, of course, needs to be orchestrated, right? And it particularly needs to be orchestrated in terms of security. So how can I ensure, that application A can only talk to the data of application B, but doesn't see what we're doing with C, right? So these things we just need to bring in place. This is why we're now working together with Zscaler with their zero trust concept and with their zero trust platform, so that we can, fully enable what is intended and what is allowed on this busy ecosystem, and what are the things that should not be allowed, right? So this adds a huge security value to the way how we bring these things together and how we manage the ecosystem to do exactly what the customers want.
Thanks a lot, Martin. That was Stephane and Martin at Hannover Messe USA. Thank you.